The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is Samsung's latest and potentially best smartwatch yet. It's certainly pitched as the wearable companion most ready to climb Mount Everest or at least a steep hill with you. As befitting the new Pro distinction, the watch is bigger and better than the rest of the Watch 5 line, with a bigger battery, more powerful capabilities, and exclusive features. The watch generally uses this new power to add more fitness credentials with additional GPS features, including new route generators for endurance workouts and reinforced case, ensuring the 5 Pro is squarely aimed at the adventurers and athletes. Otherwise, the watch retains all its younger siblings' more holistic health kits, including improved sleep tracking and body composition, alongside great smart functionality courtesy of Wear OS, taking and receiving calls, music controls, and an Exynos W920 dual-core 5nm chipset powering the whole thing. At this early stage, it certainly seems like everything you want in a fitness-oriented Wear OS watch. The watch has been unveiled as part of Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event on 10 August, where it launched alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 foldables, as well as the standard Galaxy Watch 5 and new Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro available to pre-order ahead of watch's release date of 26th August. Like the other devices in Samsung's lineup, in the US it's set to cost $449 for the Bluetooth version and $499 for the LTE 4G version, compared to $279.99 for the Bluetooth version of the standard Watch 5 and $329.99 for LTE. That's quite a jump for the leap in design quality, bigger battery, and enhanced GPS features. In the UK, the Watch 5 Pro is set to cost €429 for Bluetooth version and €479 for LTE version. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends and keep watching Best Buy to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities.